Hello everyone, I am Dr. Manjusha Deshmukh, Principal of Saraswati College of Engineering, Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. In this video, I am going to discuss about Engineering Admission Procedure 2022-2023. So I am going to discuss everything about admission schedule, dates, time, registration, etc. So before starting, let's understand the different terms that will be used while filling the application form or during registration process. The first is government colleges. What is meaning of government colleges? The government engineering colleges are run by government of Maharashtra. Respective university syllabus they will follow and exams are conducted by universities. Generally, what are the benefits of these colleges? The fees is less. The fee concessions can be availed, good infrastructure and experienced faculties. Next type of college is government college but autonomous government college. Again, these colleges are also run by government of Maharashtra, but what is the difference in normal government college and autonomous government college? In autonomous government college, the syllabus is designed by the college itself and they conduct their own exam, not the affiliating university. Again, all fee concessions can be availed. The fees will be less in this college also, and the syllabus will be very good and industry friendly syllabus you will find. Then next comes unaided autonomous colleges. Unaided autonomous colleges are run by private organizations. They have their own design syllabus. They conduct their own examinations. Means these are autonomous private colleges. They have their own syllabus. They conduct their own exams. Infrastructure wise, you will find good. The syllabus is also good. Fees can be little more. Then there comes unaided non-minority engineering colleges. So these are again private engineering colleges, but these colleges are not autonomous, but they are affiliated to some university. So since they are affiliated to some university, the syllabus is set by university. Exams are conducted in this colleges are by university. It can accommodate major portion of the engineering aspirant students. You will find maximum number of colleges belongs to this category, that is unaided non-minority engineering colleges. The fee concessions can be availed in these colleges also, and infrastructure wise, yes, you will find infrastructure is good. Then next comes unaided minority engineering colleges. In minority engineering colleges unaided, so these are again private engineering colleges, but these are minority. These are run by again private organizations, but generally specifically by minority groups. Minority groups, you will find the colleges run by Christian minority or Muslim minority, like this. And respective university syllabus they will have if they are not autonomous. These colleges can be again autonomous, non-autonomous. Okay. So exams are conducted by university if they are affiliated to university. It can accommodate specific minority group students. The fee concessions can be availed. Now while filling the form, you will come across different terms. The first is facilitation center. Facilitation center means center where the facilities like filling the online form, verification of documents, grievance, etc. can be provided. So you will find there are few centers, facilitation centers identified by DTE, Directorate of Technical Education, and you can visit these centers. Then next term comes is institutional quota. What is meaning of institutional quota? These are the seats available for admission to eligible candidates at institute level. That means these are for not online admission. If you want to go for offline admission, then you can go for institutional quota. Every institute will have some seats available in this quota. Then minority quota. The next is means seats earmarked for minority community. The students from within the state belonging to minority committee. Again, minority quota means those who are in minority to which the institute belongs. Now, minority quota is generally in that particular. If you see, if you belong to Christian minority, then the seats will be available in the institute which belongs to Christian minority. If you are maybe some South Indian minority, then the seats will be available into that particular type of institute. So scholarship schemes of Government of Maharashtra reservation. So these are the important definition and terms. Now what is difference between percentage and percentile? The percentage tells us the value in terms of 100. Everyone knows what is the meaning of percentage. The percentile is a relative quantity. It depends on, it is a relative quantity. That means it compares the students. Let's take an example. If students score 15 marks out of 20 marks, then his percentage is 75%. Very simple. But if all other students score less than 15 and he is the topper, even if he is not having 20 out of 20, he is having only 15 marks out of 20. But if that particular student is a topper, then his percentile is 100. So this is the difference between percentage and percentile. Now, what for facility center or ARCs use the activities in facility center, you will get a provision for internet connectivity, you will get printers, scanners and all help whatever you need. So what you can use this if you don't have computer system at your home, or if you don't know how to fill the information, then you can always visit facility center and get everything done with the help of experts, like filling online application form, uploading of scanned documents, submission of online application form, printing of application form for CAP, then verification of documents, confirmation of application form for CAP, generates receipt for application confirmation. Online option form may be filled in facilitation center if you don't have computer system or laptops at your place, or if you don't have internet connectivity. Then ARC, here ARC just an online process, seat acceptance. It is used for seat acceptance. For that you have to pay some online fees. Right? It is of approximate amount. This is not perfect, that you will find after you log in, and then collect printout of the receipt. So main activity takes place only in facilitation center. Then admission process. Now admission process, admission schedule is already out for engineering admissions of 2022 and 2023. So online registration of application and uploading of required documents by candidate on website. So what is the duration? It is from 21st 9 to 4th October. So you have to register. If you want to go for online process or offline process, whatever, you have to register yourself on the website. So online register and application uploading, you have to upload your application. In the same duration, you have to also get your document verification and confirmation of application for admission. So duration is same. First you have to apply, register yourself, and also you have to get your verification and confirmation of application done. This activity is mandatory activity and you have to get it done at facilitation center. So visit facilitation center nearby you and get this verification, document verification and confirmation done. Then next comes the display of provisional merit list. So after this process, on the DTE website or on CET cell website, you will find the provisional merit list of Maharashtra state. So what is the date for that? It will take place on 7th of October. Now why it is known as provisional merit list? Why it is not final? Because there might be some errors. Even if you have registered but your name might not appear on it. So in that case, what you have to do? You have to submit the grievance. If you have any grievance, so you have to visit the facilitation center and you have to submit the grievance regarding this, because it is provisional merit list, it is not final merit list. So if you have any issues, visit facilitation center and get it corrected. So for this process, you have to do it between 8th of October till 10th of October till 5 p.m. During this period, candidate can personally visit and submit the required documents, if any, for verification at facilitation center. Sometimes it might happen that you will not, your documentation is not got, has not got verified, and that's why your name is now not available in the list or something, for any of the error, you can always visit. Then next comes the final merit list. After provisional merit list, after all the grievance and correction, then you will find the display of final merit list of Maharashtra state, and that will take place on 12th of October. Now, sometimes what happens while displaying the final merit list, you will find the CET scores of multiple students are similar. So there must be some tie-breaking criteria. If CET score of multiple students, and that is most of the time it happens, the multiple student gets the same score. So if multiple students get same score, the first tie-breaking criteria is it will check for higher marks of score in CET, in maths. So if two students have equal marks in CET, but if one is having higher marks in mathematics, then he will get higher rank than the other person. If that maths marks are also same for both the students, then it will go for it will check the physics marks in CET. Then again, if physics marks are also similar, then it will check for chemistry marks in CET. Okay, now see, CET marks are same, the maths marks are same, the physics is same, and chemistry is also same. After that, it will check for HSC marks, the higher HSC or whatever qualifying exam, CBSE or ICSE, whatever exam you appeared for, means 12th marks overall, board marks, qualifying examination of physics, maths and chemistry taken together. Then if this is also similar, then it will check for sorry, higher percentage of marks subject wise maths at HSC. Suppose if you appeared for Maharashtra state board exam, then it will check for HSC. If you are student of CBSE board, then it will check maths of CBSE, or if you are ICSE students, then or whatever exam you have appeared for 12. So mathematics of 12. Then if this is also same, then it will again check for physics. If this is also same, then it will check for aggregate at HSC and so on. So first, see what is the difference. Here it is taking physics, math, chemistry together. Then it is going for maths, then physics. Then aggregate of your qualifying exam is 12th board. Aggregate means all, whatever English, whatever subjects are there. And most of the time, if all the marks are similar, then they go for age. And the person who is having older, whoever is older, he gets the higher rank. But generally, tie gets break in this particular area only. Now, the next activity that will happen on 12th of October is display of provisional category wise seat matrix. So seat matrix appears like this. So there you can choose any of the college name, the slot is there, you have to enter the college name and you can check the seat matrix of that college. And there you can really check, suppose what is this college name, what is the course name, then category wise how many seats are available in that particular college. Like here I have shown you the example of, for a particular course, the course code is available here. So this course code might be for computer engineering or might be for civil engineering or anything. And for that particular, because every branch has some course code, every course has a code. And then for that particular code, then open girls, general category, how many seats, then ladies quota, then SC general, then ladies, and ST general ladies, VJ. So all these seat matrix gives the information about number of seats available for a particular category in particular college for a particular course. After that, next comes the cap round 1. So cap round 1, the form filling dates are from 13th of October to 15th of October. So generally don't try to do it earlier. Don't wait till 15th of October. Because of the load, most of the time it happens the server goes slow. So online submission and confirmation of option form of CAP round 1 through candidates login. So you have to log in, and through your login you have to fill your CAP round 1 option form. So there you can go, you have to search university, you have to search course, and then you have to search colleges. So all three options are available. So maximum 299 options you can enter in sequence. So it will look something like this. So first of all, you have to select course. After you select course, then go for search institute. So it will show all the institute running that course. Then you can go, or you can go for university also. So you can select course, university, and particular institute, and then you will find there are multiple institutes for a particular course in a particular university. Suppose I have chosen a particular course in Mumbai University. So all the colleges who is running that particular course, you can see list wise. And then here you have a click box. Here you can just click and select that institute. And if you don't want to choose a particular institute, you can just, you don't click on that particular button. So this is how, and then comes after entering this, when you go to save and proceed, then you have to change the preference. Then after I have selected, suppose I want a computer branch in a Mumbai University, then I have selected the university, I have selected the course, then I have got this list, I want to apply for these upper 4 colleges, then I will, then these 4 colleges list will appear. Now I have to give the preference. What is my first preference? What is my second preference? So then change preferences, and then you have to confirm your options. Then after doing option form, after filling the option form, the display of allotment of CAP round 1 indicating allotted institute and course, the date is 18th of October. So 18th of October you will get the allotment list of CAP round 1. So then you have to seat acceptance by candidate by paying. So you have to pay some amount and you have to accept the seat. Accepting to the offered seat by candidate through his or her login as per allotment of CAP round 1. So the duration is mentioned here. Don't forget to remember these times also. Time is up to only 3 p.m. 21st 3 p.m. So two options are available. Either you have to freeze or you have to go for betterment. But seat confirmation you have to do. Whether you want to go for freeze or betterment, the seat confirmation is mandatory activity. So two options are available, either freeze or betterment. What is the meaning of freeze? The candidate accept the offer seat. So suppose you wanted some option and you got that option and you are okay with that option and you want to take admission, then you directly freeze. Second is whatever you enter at the first option, and if that first option is allotted, then it gets automatically freeze. You don't have any option of going for betterment because you have already got your first option. So that is a freeze thing. And then betterment. Betterment means you are not satisfied with the college allotted to you and you want to go for better option. You want to go for CAP round 2. So there you have to choose betterment option. Then again reporting to the allotted institute. If you want to freeze and if you want to take admission, then you have to report to the allotted institute and confirm the admission by submitting required documents and payment of fees after CAP round 1. So this duration, this activity is required when you want to freeze the admission in the institute allotted, and the duration is mentioned and time is also mentioned. So don't take a chance of doing everything on last date. Always try to do it one day before the last date, because you will find there is a queue and then you might not meet this time and then there is a lot of problem. Then comes CAP round 2. Again in CAP round 2 there is the same procedure what we do in CAP round 1, display of provisional vacant seats. Then after cap round 1, some of the students will go and take admission in the respective colleges, and after that, whatever vacant seats are there, that will be displayed on 22nd of October. Display of provisional vacant seats for cap round 2, because some of the seats will get filled in cap round 1. Then online submission and confirmation option form of cap round 2. So again, you have to fill the option form for cap round 2 through candidates login. Now here again you can change the sequence of colleges. Not necessary that you have to follow the sequence or option of cap round 1. You can always shuffle the option. And the duration for cap round 2 option form is 23rd October to 26th October. The display of provisional allotment. So cap round 2 allotment will be displayed on 28th of October. Again, there will be two options, the freeze and betterment. If you got the first option, then you have to freeze automatically. If you are satisfied with whatever institute is allotted and you want to take admission in that institute, then you have to go for accepting the offered seat by candidate through his login as per allotment. So you have to freeze there and you have to log and you have to go report to the institute in this duration with your all documents required. Then next is reporting to the allotted institute and confirmation of admission, submitted required documents, payment of fees after the same. This is the duration. Then conduct of cap round 3. So candidates who have not been allotted any seat, that they can go for cap round 3. If you are not satisfied with the allotted seat of cap round 2, then also you can go for cap round 3. In cap round 3 also the procedure is same. Display of provisional vacant seats. So some of the students will take admission in the institutes after cap round 1. Some will take after cap round 2. And then very few seats will be available for cap round 3. But how many seats are available? That will be made available on 1st of November. So that is known as display of provisional vacant seats for cap round 3. Then online submission and confirmation of option form. So again you have to fill up the option form for cap round 3. Again you can shuffle the option if you want. The duration is from 2nd November to 4th November. The display of provisional allotment of cap round 3. The allotment will be on 6th of November. And now here you have to accept the offered seat through login and you have to report the institute in cap round 3 and duration is 7 to 9th November till 3 p.m. Reporting to the allotted institute and confirmation of admission by submitting required documents and payment of fees for cap round 3 is from 7 to 9. So after these 3 rounds comes the another round that is known as 4th round, but this 4th round is only for government institutes, government aided, unaided institutes. For whom this round is for vacant seats, if any, at the respective institute will complete the admission activity in the following manner. So this round is only for government and government aided institutes or government unaided institute. This round is not for any of the private engineering college or private engineering institute. For whom this round is, if there are some vacant seats after cap round 3, then that few vacant seats will be filled by institutes itself. How they will fill these seats? So they will display the vacant seats on the institute website. Now this is not like cap round 3. Now you have to keep checking the website of these government institutes and they will display the vacant seats on the institute website, giving appropriate advertisement in newspaper. Then they will invite application from the registered candidate. So you are already registered on the CET cell. You have already gone through all the procedure. Then only you are eligible for this. So only registered candidates, they will invite the application. They will prepare and display the merit list and they will upload on the college website only. Carry out complete admission process by following government admission. So the duration for this is 10th of November till 17th of November. Your commencement of academic activity of your college will start from 1st of November, irrespective of whether you are going for Cap D or not. So those who have already taken admission in Cap 1 or in Cap 2, they can always join from 1st of November, and remaining those who are going for Cap 3, they will be joining later. But commencement date is 1st of November. The cutoff date for all types of admission for academic year 22-23 is 17/11/20. Cutoff date means if you are not satisfied with whatever admission or whatever institute you have got the admission, and if you want to cancel that admission, then the cutoff date is 17/11/22. If you cancel, suppose you have taken admission in particular college and you have paid the entire fees, but if you cancel the admission before this date, before 5 o'clock, then your entire fees except that registration fee will be refunded. If you cross this date, then you will not get the fee refund after cutoff date. Now this is the statistics of MHT-CET 22 and 21, and 23 is also you can see here. So these many PCM, these many students were there in 2021, these many students in 2022 CET. So number of students have increased now. No scholarships available. What different scholarships are available? Scholarships are available in almost all type of colleges, and these scholarships are available like caste wise, like this. For open also, the DT, Directorate of Technical Education, gives Rajashri Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Shikshan Shulk and Dr. Punjab Rao Deshmukh Vasti Gruha Nirvan Bhatta Yojana. So different scholarships are available for open categories also. You can see. Then for every category, there is a scholarships available. But to take these scholarships, some certain rules are there. You have to get into the details of this. So it was all about admission procedure, engineering admission procedure of 2022-2023. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.